Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Red Elevator. I'm Nina Takesh, and today we are going to have a very fun time because we are going to tour my beautiful friend Robin Estani's modern marvel. So follow me and let's get on with this wonderful home tour. Many of you have been asking for a tour of a modern home, so here we are today in a very exclusive residence in the hills of Los Angeles, where I can't wait to show you the architecture, the furnishing, and all the beautiful details of this modern house. And since you guys always want to know, I am wearing a Zimmermann dress. It is a beautiful silk satin wrap dress that I really love because it flows as you walk. And my necklace is from Jenny Bird. Again, these will always be linked below in the comment section. What I absolutely love about this house is the fact that the furniture is in line and in scale with the rest of the house. You have this gorgeous, modern, low-profile furniture, couch that is very conducive to sitting, which is lovely because it's got this very thick weave white fabric, which will always stand the test of time. What's really great about this house is that we've got a lot of neutral pieces, and these neutral pieces will always stand the test of time. But what I do love is the pop of color. Notice how we have pops of color throughout the house in the use of these gorgeous pillows, and how these pillows are picked up in the art. What's really beautiful about this living room and the formal living room is that you have this great chaise longue, which really breaks up the formality of the room. So you've got these very formal sofas, then you have a pop of a fun chaise longue, and what I love are the pair of Mitchell Gold and Bob William club chairs that are in this gorgeous light velvet color. They're almost a mist gray, and they pop against the black lacquer piano. Here we are in the family room, and what I love about the family room is that it really does pick up the natural colors of the elements. As I mentioned, we are in the hills, and so you've got these expansive views, really unobstructed views of the hills with greenery, and this room picks up those natural camel colors. From the sofa, to the rug, to all of the decorative pillows, everything is subtle and everything is minimal. What I really love is the elements of raffia here, as you can see in the coffee table. The coffee table has the raffia tabletop, and again, it's bringing in the outside in and really creating that indoor-outdoor vibe. What's really amazing are these sliding glass windows. I mean, literally, these are from here until infinity. They really just bring in the fresh air. They are made of metal, they are minimal, they're gorgeous, and they are just really a wonderful element in this house that allows all the light to just come in, and really so that people can appreciate the views. The exterior is very expansive, as we mentioned, and really unusual for Los Angeles to have these almost unobstructed views, as I mentioned earlier. These hills are literally surrounding the entire property. You have practically zero neighbors, and the feeling that you get when you're up here is absolutely incredible. The homeowner has chosen extremely beautiful minimal elements in order to highlight the nature that surrounds this property. Unobstructed views, you have a flush swimming pool that is basically an infinity pool, and you also have the barrier between nature and this home that is made purely of glass. One of my favorite rooms in this house is this kitchen. What I love about this kitchen is that it is minimal, it is fresh, it is white. So you tend to see this beautiful white lacquer cabinets with just touches of mahogany. And it really lends itself to bringing, again, nature back into the house. What I love about the cabinets in this kitchen is that they are gorgeous. They are a very, very high gloss lacquer finish, and they have these polished nickel handles, and these polished nickel handles are really great because they have a little bit of warmth to them. And what I really like about this kitchen is that we have our double ovens here below that we have easy access to without really having to bend down. You have easy access to your double ovens. These are all Miele appliances. And up here you've got the Miele steam oven, which I know is a really good thing. And lastly, my absolute favorite appliance on the planet, which I also have, is the Miele coffee maker. This is the appliance that we use the most in our home. One of the most interesting features in this house has to be the wall painted murals. This is hand painted murals done on a very, very light mint gray, which again brings the elements into the house. It is a beautiful foliage that is painted all over this room. And again, you can see the beautiful, exquisite outdoor trees that are naturally brought into this home with the use of the mural, the painting, and the elements. What's really incredible about the doors in this house and the moldings in this house you will find throughout is that it is basically frameless. You've got a frameless door, everything is flush. The frame of the door is flush with the wall, and the baseboards are also flush with the wall. They all have a very minimal, I would say, 1/4 of an inch groove that surround all the interior doors and pocket doors, as well as windows and the baseboards. This allows for, again, a very clean, minimal, straight-lined design. Thank you for joining us today on this episode of Red Elevator. I want to give a special thank you to my beautiful friend, Robin Astani. Thank you for having us in your beautiful home. If you guys don't know Robin, she is an incredible cook. You must follow her. Her information is going to be linked below. Again, I want to thank Robin for having me here. Robin, tell me, what's your favorite feature in this house?
Oh my God, probably the sliding doors.
The sliding door, you guys. You can't forget the sliding doors. They are amazing. Again, thank you for being here today, and we will see you again next week.